Hey guys, Graphic Flow here, and in the past few months I've been searching for an affordable Bluetooth speaker with some sort of color changing lights, and I recently came across the Airbeat 30 from Divoom. So in this video I'll share with you my honest opinions of this latest product. So with all that said, let's start the video.
Yeah, want me back. I know they want me back. I see.
First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The box is detailed, shows the key features of the speaker with nice illustrations on how the speaker works, including the specifications. So inside the box you get the Airbeat 30 itself, a hanger to carry the speaker, a small white packet which includes a micro USB cable, which I'm kinda disappointed about, as I would have loved it if it had a Type-C. The final thing is the user guide in multiple languages. The Airbeat 30 comes in 3 different colours. As you can see, I have the blue one, but it's also available in red or black. At first glance, the speaker has a really nice look to it. It looks premium and is pleasing to look at. The build quality is excellent. It has a metal rugged compact design, so it's durable and can take some drops. Divoom's name is on the centre of the speaker grills in this circular design. The actual speaker grills is located on the front and not on the back. The most eye-catching feature that you can see is the color changing LEDs. It kinda reminds me of an Amazon Alexa smart home device because of the halo-like ring, but we'll talk more about that later. The bottom of the speaker has a rubber flap which houses the micro USB charging port. Unfortunately, you can't use an auxiliary cable for a wired connection, but it's okay as the speaker has Bluetooth version 5.0 technology, which is way more superior than version 4 on common Bluetooth speakers. On the right hand side you'll find the power button, a light bulb for changing the LEDs which has multiple modes, and a TWS button for pairing a second Airbeat 30. We'll talk more about that later. Pressing once on the power button when it's turned on will show the battery level. On the left side, a play pause button is located as well as the microphone, and finally the volume up and down. It shows a nice animation when you increase or decrease the volume. The buttons are tactile and have to put a slight bit of pressure on them. Holding down volume up or down will either play the previous track or the next track. Okay, pairing the speaker is simple. When you turn it on, it will automatically be in pairing mode. After that, jump over to your smart device, turn on Bluetooth and wait for Divoom Airbeat 30 to show up. Then just tap on it to pair. Just so you know, it has an 11-meter Bluetooth range. Okay, so let's talk about the halo color changing lights. They change color, have crazy moves and reacts to the rhythm to whatever you're playing, and they are bright. You get to choose a whopping 60 million colors thanks to Divoom's Aurora technology. A single press on the light bulb button changes the modes. You get a total of 9 different modes. Holding down on the button increases and decreases the brightness. To turn the LEDs off, you just have to turn the brightness all the way down. If only Divoom made an app to control the LEDs and the sound quality directly from a phone, just like Jaybird's earphones and Bose speakers. Alright, so the included hanger which comes with the speaker is actually pretty good. It's made out of soft rubber material and it's perfect to mount it onto something like a backpack or even a branch on a tree for times when you party outdoors. The sound quality doesn't disappoint. It features a 4-watt full range driver. It's not mind-blowing or anything, but honestly Divoom has nailed the sound as well as the looks. The sound will fill a room but not a massive space. Here is a quick sound test.
Yeah, your boyfriend, he said he can't stand me, cause every time you fight, you always creeping out with me. Like I work for Best Buy, got them tablets, got the Addies and the Mollies and the Perkies on me. Fucking man, he ain't got nothing on me. She said you ain't got respect, you always nothing on me. So how I used to be. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
The Airbeats have an awesome feature which you can pair another one of these together to create a left and right stereo setup, which is kinda cool. To pair both Airbeats together, make sure to have it disconnected from your device. Just hold on the TWS button on both of them, then connect it to your device. I tried it and it works really well. The audio is synced and there's zero delay between them. Here is another quick sound test.
Your boyfriend, he said he can't stand me, cause every time you fight, you always creeping out with me. Like I work for Best Buy, got them tablets, got the Addies and the Mollies and the Perkies on me. Fucking man, he ain't got nothing on me. She said you ain't got respect, you always nothing on me. Jackie Chan.
It's also IP44 weatherproof, which means you can splash it in water and nothing major should happen. The battery life is decent. Divoom claims it lasts for 6 hours, but I got around 4 hours of constant playback with the LEDs turned on at max brightness. It has a built-in 1000 mAh battery. Obviously, the battery life does depend on the volume level and the brightness of the LEDs. According to the specs, it takes around about 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. The Airbeat 30 costs £40 or $49, so if you are interested, please check the links in the description if you want to purchase this speaker. For my overall conclusion, I believe the Airbeat 30 is really good for its price point. It packs a lot of cool features in a small package. I find this product an absolute must-have. A quality build, durable, compact form factor so you can easily put in a backpack, good battery life, and you can't forget the colour changing LEDs. I absolutely recommend purchasing the speaker. Finally, I want to give a massive shout out to Divoom for providing the Airbeat 30 for review. Everything said in the video was all of my honest opinions and thoughts. Thanks for watching the video. This has been Graphic Flow and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.